And as high as I lift this, you still can't tell, you know? Hi, I'm Ken Babbitt. I have these implants, about 5 months now. I just went back for my second visit to have them readjusted. There's three really good things about this, and there's three bad things. Well, one of the bad things is the cost, but we'll talk about that later. The third bad thing about the new teeth is that when you first get them installed, there's a gap between the gum and the teeth, and it's there purposely to allow your gums to heal. Now, you whistle when you talk, you lisp. It's kind of weird and uncomfortable, but you get used to it. And then when you go back on your 4-month follow-up, they tighten it up and they put it up there, and the whistle is gone, the lisp disappears, and it really feels much more comfortable. So it turns out to be a good thing for a good reason. The third good thing is, with my old teeth, I couldn't eat a lot of good foods that I really enjoy. They like steaks and things like that. I just couldn't chew them. But now with these teeth, the good thing is that I can eat anything. I can eat anything that I want now without having to worry about it or thinking about it when I look at a menu. If it's on there and I like it, I can get it and eat it. So that's a big positive in my life. The second bad thing is there is some pain. They give you some drugs and things to help you get through that, which is really good. It's a big positive. But like anything, it's major surgery, so it's going to take a few days for that to go away, and it does pretty quickly. And once that dissipates, it doesn't come back again. There is no more pain from that moment on through the rest of the whole procedure. To when your teeth are like this, it's wonderful. So, just everybody's different. Some people's time period of pain might be a little longer than others. Some is a day, some is 3 or 5 days. With me, it was about a week, and after that, it was like everything was behind me, and the positive was ahead of me. So the second good thing is that I can smile. My teeth were broken before. I was afraid I would never smile. Pictures, meeting people, I didn't want to show my teeth because I was embarrassed. And now, man, I'm putting it out there. Like, look at this, when I smile, and people notice too. They're like, "Wow, look at you! You really do smile." So yeah, it makes a huge difference in my confidence and my ability to be out there in front of people and not be afraid to smile and show what I got. So now, of course, the first bad thing is the cost. Everybody's concerned about money. Things are so expensive today, but if you want something permanent, it's going to cost a little bit of money. But with Nuvia, they were right up front with everything. When I walked in the door, by the time I left, I knew exactly what my cost was going to be. They had a financing program, so I knew what my payments were going to be. They gave me the opportunity to make the decision there, or I could go home and speak to my wife and make sure that it fit into our finances, which it did, which I was amazed considering I've been to other places and how much the cost was going to be. And their financing programs were not really that agreeable. So I'm really glad that I came, because now I can afford what I have, and it's something that will last me the rest of my life. So if you are concerned about what the cost is going to be and you don't want to go in, they have a cost guide that you can go and click on in the link down below, and it will explain to you what your cost will be and what you're getting for your cost. So there's nothing hidden. Everything is right up front. So that's what I appreciated too. One more thing, the one good thing is that I had my teeth in 24 hours, which to me blew me away. I wasn't sure if they really lived up to that, but they really did. You went in, you got your work done. They take all your measurements, pull the teeth and blah, blah, blah. And the next day I went back and they put them in, and it was like, wow, I couldn't believe that it actually happened that fast. And here they are, I was smiling the next day. It was pretty crazy. So if somebody is sitting on the fence about making a decision on this, I would say go for it, but be yourself. Go in, and the people there are awesome. They're not, everything is up front. So you can ask them, what do you need to do? How does it all go? I mean, what's the process? And they will be honest and open with you. And I'm pretty sure that if you actually walk in the door with the idea that you're thinking about it, you're going to come out and you're going to want to do it, because it's definitely, to me, it's so worth it. I mean, everything about this is I'm getting goosebumps because I'm so happy now that I've had this done. So I think if you're sitting on the fence, go for it. Just go, at least go in and see them and let them talk to you.